Agwaifi.
Malam Chew.
Agwaifi.
Malam Chew.
Assalamu alaikum.
It's not called Owefi. It is called Obu Efi.
So you they call my name Malam Shehu. It's Shehu.
It is Malam Shehu. You go there. Now this one you did not go to work. You have run away from the isolation center that you are working. And you are here. Don't come and beg me money.
Why they tackle like this, man? To the people I did for isolation center, they don't go for Sunday, go celebrate Sunday. So nobody said why I go up and work again. That's why I miss. I say make I come greet my people outside manner.
Hi, people that have a coronavirus, they went to go and do salad. Chineke me.
What you know be Chineke go for? Now the people, what you consider to politics? Now the people go celebrate Sunday. Let me Chineke. Why you call it Chineke?
Madwa ngwala.
Came out, Madwa.
Please, I'm going now.
Let's see the worker. Agwaifi. So, make I don't go my country. Take your back on me. Let's see the worker.